Hello, welcome to another Microbytes. I'm your host, Ed Roessner, Senior Sales Engineer over here at Excel Micro. I just wanted to give you a quick purview of user-end experience with the new SafeSend Cloud security. So we're in our Outlook, Office 365. Let's see, we want to compose a new mail message. You can see our little VIPRE logo here. It'll show our task pane. And what SafeSend is going to do is whenever you go to send a message, it is going to check that message to make sure you're sending it to the right people and you're adding the right attachments and things like that. It'll ask people to verify those things. The product team, it wants to know, can I confirm this recipient? Yes. Additionally, let's say I try to email someone I shouldn't be emailing. The company has put on a banned list. This email will get stripped. It's not asking me to confirm it because it knows that this domain, because I've wildcarded it in the system, is not allowed to be sent to. Because we don't ever want to email VIPRE, we want to email Excel Micro. Let's say we want to add an attachment. SafeSend's going to scan that attachment instantly and give us some pop-ups about it. Are we sure we're sending this to the right people? This is unencrypted. It's an open-ended document that anyone can open. Is that okay to send? And we have to hit confirm before it will let us send that message. So let's say I'm comfortable. I've confirmed this test doc is okay. I want to send it to product team, and I'm trying to CC someone in sales. I'll hit send. Message goes on its way. We go to our sent items. We can see it right here, but we can notice the CC has been stripped. You have, as an admin, total control over this, but we'll go over that into another video. I wanted to primarily showcase what it looked like from an end user's perspective. And you don't have to have this pop-out pane open. You can leave it closed, and they'll just get the confirmation pop-ups on their screen as they're trying to send the message. It'll stop them and ask them if they want to do things. Let's try sending to a Gmail. Attachment again. Do this one. Let's say send. Oh, please confirm. Now send anyway, or don't send, or review. And then we get the pop-up to review what we're doing. If we hit send anyway, it'll send the message anyway, and that'll be tracked on the VIPRE Cloud side. If we hit cancel, obviously it will stop the whole message and we can go back to review it. Anyway, that's all for now. Have a good one.